Hi guys, it's Patty. Welcome back. And today I'm here with something that I'm really excited about, and it's a setup of this adorable pocket planner. And as you can tell, it's a plastic, see-through pocket planner that I've got on Amazon. And the theme that I chose for it, it's Wontoninamillion. So Wontoninamillion, if you're not familiar with it, is a shop on Etsy, and it's owned by Cynthia. And she has the cutest little dumpling dim sum theme characters and the most clever puns, and she has a ton of products. They are all stinking cute. So she was having her 3rd anniversary party last week, not last year, and since I was attending, I thought I would set up a little planner to take with me on the trip. And I love it so much actually that I think I'm gonna keep this in my purse, and I'm gonna be carrying it around inside this Target pouch that I got a couple of months back in the dollar spot. Now mind you, this is not my main planner, but this is just like jotting down what I have to do for today, or if I bringing it with me everywhere I go. So, and it's just so cute and it's so portable, so it's a perfect size. Now this is a fairly quick setup, and you're only going to need a few things, and especially if you're already a fan of Cynthia and Wontoninamillion, you already probably own the majority of things that you're going to need. Clearly you're going to need this little planner, which I got on Amazon. I actually wanted the holographic version of it, which I have in an A5 and personal, but I could not find it in the pocket. So if you can, I will get the pocket, but I got this on Amazon. I think it was between $7 and $10 maybe with Prime. So get that one. And then one thing you are definitely going to need are the papers that Cynthia is going to have in her shop, and this is printable, so you can print as many as you wish. And I first printed it on vellum, so this is super cute. It's more of a soft look. And just a word of advice, when you're printing on vellum, I try to print it either on standard or fast printing, because with vellum can smudge, so the faster the printing, the better it is. And this is instead printed double-sided on 50-pound cardstock paper that I got at Michael's, and it was really affordable. I think I bought it when they had 10 packs for $10, and I think it's a great weight. It's nice and bright and white, and the pattern is absolutely adorable. You have all the little steamies, all the little dumplings, so it's and I love that it has a little pink hearts, so that's kind of like the color that I picked up. And yeah, I wanted to show you this one because just quickly, when you think printable, sometimes people think, oh, I don't want to buy all these papers just to set up one planner and then, never use it again. But you can use a printable for anything you want. I made this cute little gift box. I have a tutorial for it, and I actually give one like this to Cynthia, and you can put your goodies. You can put a little macaron. This was actually something that Cynthia, gave out at the parties from Stash of Good, I think, which is a macaron shop in New York City. Adorable. Never gonna eat that. But again, so this, if you have this printable, and you are probably good to go, just got a couple of accessories that I'll show you. Now, let's start first with the little pocket planner. Again, clear plastic. I just embellished it a little bit because here, the front, the little, little button here was a little drab looking. So I just put a plastic Swarovski sticker from Michael's. And here on the side too, because the problem with these clear, planners is that they have the exposed spine, so you can see all the mechanism, the rings here. So I added more of these Swarovski stickers, and they have not actually fallen off. I haven't used any strong adhesive, nothing like more permanent. So they're probably gonna come off and move, but I'm just gonna move them back. It's okay, they're really inexpensive. You can replace them if you like the look. And up top here, I have created a little charm. This was supposed to be, like I basically added a little lobster claw at the end of the chain. This is supposed to be a keychain. It's from Cynthia's shop. It's too cute. And then here I've just sewn on this cute little bow from Hobby Lobby. And then for the top game here, I have added these cute clips. They're not paper clips, they're clips from LittleMissDaisyrose. This is a cute little wonton, adorable. And then this one is, and actually these were prizes that you could win at Cynthia's event. She had a carnival themed, event, and you could basically play a game, win tickets, and with the tickets you could redeem them from prizes, and this was one of the prize, and this was another one. It's actually supposed to be a charm too. So here is the lobster clasp that came with it, but I wanted to use it as a clip, so I added a clip to the bottom, and it's from Two Girls Bows, and it has an adorable little guy here at the top that's been printed on, or it looks like it's like a transfer. Super cute. So let's go back and let's take a look inside. Now in the front, clearly I couldn't use a pocket because it's clear. The first first page is this, sorry about the reflection guys, it's a really dark day again. This acetate with a star pattern, and one side is silver and one side is gold. I put the silver in the front because matching the metals. And then here I added one of these bows that I always buy on eBay, and I have placed it right here at the center of the little Volkswagen bus here, so that it would just kind of sit on top. So that was it. And here's the first dashboard. Again, super easy. This is just a piece of very heavy cardstock. It's actually glitter cardstock from Hobby Lobby, and I'll link everything that I can find below, guys. So I just added this. This is a vinyl sticker that Cynthia was giving out with her orders. I think it was last year during her previous anniversary. But if you go to our Facebook group, there's a printable for this. You'll just have to put your own name in it, but you can print this out. Just go to our Facebook group. And then here is just something that I've actually cut out from our packaging. And let me show you, because basically our packaging is just as cute as our stickers. So for example, this is a backing for her sticker, so you can cut out all these little fellas here, and then this one here. And this is the menu that comes with all the orders. It's printed on very heavy glossy cardstock, really pretty. I've cut out all these guys, and in the back I've cut out this. So this is this. So you just do a little fussy cutting around the cloud, and then I laminated it and added it on. And of course I had to take this one, so you'll see it later on another dashboard. So reuse, come up with something, like the packaging is just as cute. Don't throw it away. So the back here is, I put some of that acetate back here because it was really drab and white and boring. And then 4 of the crystal stickers. And then this is a pocket from the Target dollar spot that I cut down to size. And I made this little teeny tiny, sampler. And these are our 2 of Cynthia's washi. And actually she's releasing new washis tomorrow. So I'm gonna, stock up on that. And then this one is a beautiful washi from Simply Gilded, Irene. And then I just put a little bow on it. And then a little paper clip to secure it to the pocket so that it doesn't go away. Again, it has to be little because everything is in proportion to the size of the planner, which is super cute and super tiny. So here's the first printed vellum. Super easy, didn't do much. Just added my initial with this glitter letter that I found at Michael's. And then here, let me open it up actually, because this is kind of hard to see with all their dang reflections. So this is one of these divider tabs, customized divider tabs that I had, that I got from Two Girls Bows. Now they come, and you'll see it later. Basically, you order with whatever word you want. They come on heavy cardstock. So what I did, actually this was meant to be for a larger size, but because I think I had ordered for a B6, but I just cut it down to size, and then I laminated it on top of this beautiful kind of iridescent what is it called? Iridescent, clear acetate. That's a word. Acetate that I got from Michael's. Now I can't find it anymore in this particular color, but I've had this little piece of scrap paper from last year. So I created this, kind of clear, dashboard. And then here, and I'll pick it up to show you more close up. This is my first little dashboard. So this is just a piece of the paper. I think it's a 4 5/8 by 3 1/8 of the paper that I printed out back and forth. To give it a little more oomph, I added the sticker glitter paper from Hobby Lobby that I'm pretty sure you guys know about. Then this little guy here, I actually cut out from her packaging, and I cut him out and I laminated it. So this is from the envelope that her stickers in your order will come in. So cut the guy out and laminate it and glue it on. And this was from instead I don't know if it was a free postcard that came with the order or something that I purchased, but I cut, fussy cut around it. So it says there's a superhero. See, the puns are too cute in all of us. And I just, put it on there. And it just, when you're dealing with this kind of like proportions, a little bit goes a long way. So, clearly when you're dealing with 3 inches, you're not going to be able to go 4 layers of elements or decorations. So I think this is super cute as it is. And then we have my first insert, and I only have 2 inserts here, and the inserts are actually from Annieplans, which are the ones that I always use. Let me close it up. And these were new inserts that she had actually just come out with, and these are from SeeAmyDraw, and I loved it. And just they're not dated, so I just add a little bit of of my little glitter dates, and then truly minor decorations. I mean, it's just a little bit of stickers, little bit of things like that, not much at all. And I've used the stickers from Marg, Oncemorewithlove. This is a collab with Helen, the Coffee Monsters Co. These are from Scribble Prints Co. Again, Scribble Prints Co. because there's new releases today. And then here, I made a little, page marker. Now, this is a piece of the vellum that I've laminated, and again, as you can see here on the top, I've used one of the Two Girls Bows toppers. Just put it on top, laminated it so it glues it all together. And then I've added this little die cut that came actually in the swag bag from Cynthia's party. And then, cut some holes, and I have cut some slits here to make it easy to move it. And I've cut them kind of on a diagonal so that sometimes if you cut them vertically like this, it's easy to kind of get it out and they just get kind of damaged. But this way, they just stick back in. They're going to be nice and secure. And again, I love this format. It's really, again, super minimal, just a couple of stickers. I'm gonna add things in as I go, but I like the fact that it doesn't require a ton of decoration because, first of all, the handwriting is gorgeous. I love this. So there's already a little bit there, and you just have to add your little, stickers with the date, and you're good to go. So that's my daily insert, printable, again, SeeAmyDraw. Then I have another one of the vellum pages, nothing on top. And then I have this cute little shaker. And let me show you the little shaker. So I wanted to do the shaker because clearly I was keeping it simple, but I want some little movement. And this is actually from a plastic insert from Webster's Pages. And I use those inserts actually for something different that I'm going to show you later, but I'll try to link it below. I've just cut around because you can see these 3 edges are already finished, so it's much easier to do a little shaker. I had sealed it here, but it did such a pretty bad job, so I covered it up with more washi tape. And for the filling here, I don't know if you can tell, but you got the little guys in there. So these little guys, aside from all the, sequins, etc., and this little fella that I cut out from, I showed you earlier, came from there. See, there he is. So the little fellas inside, I actually was, watching television. I started fussy cutting. So I fussy cut them out of the paper, and I glued them back to back. So you can see them, they can smile at you on both sides. And then I put them in there with, some sequins. Then I added the steam team, which I think comes from the other card. Yeah, there's, like there. So I laminated it, glued it on, and it's super cute. It's not the perfect size, it's slightly smaller, but it will do. And then here's another dashboard. This was actually a sticker. It was a collab with Marg, you know, Once More with Love. And so I just stuck it, I laminated it first. Actually, maybe it was not a sticker. It must have been a die cut. Laminated, and again here, glitter paper on top of the printable paper. And then here, super easy, again the same acetate with the stars, and this word is from Michaels. There's several ones. I just you know, wanted to add something. And then this one is a little dashboard that I made using her washi tape. So I alternated these 3 washi tape. Let me actually get them for you. I didn't think about it. So they come like that, right? So I just alternated them, and then cut the holes and put this sticker that is from Cynthia. Again, I think I got it at the was one of the prizes, but I'm pretty sure she would have this in the shop. So just very simple, you know, because again, I tried to make it as simple as possible. And here is another one of this dashboard with the same paper, and actually I did not do a very good job, as you can tell. It's a little messy here, but it's okay, it doesn't bother me. It just says lists. And then here is another dashboard where I used the you know, the little rainbow that was from the little, here, let me show you back here. So this is the menu that you get with any order. Cut the back, put it there right on top, and this is just a little clip that I put there because, you know, fill it up a little more. And this is from Dottie Moo. And then I have this insert, which is my second and last insert. This is also from Annieplans, and this was a collab with Simply Gilded, who I adore. And I just put this other guy, I think this was from the packaging as well. I think so, because I can see that there was a little bit of a bend. Yeah, so it was from the packaging. Cut it out, laminated it, stuck it on. And this is just lists. So this is from Dottie Moo. It's a little clip from Dottie Moo. I think actually, no, actually, I'm sorry. This is from 3 Glitter Peas, not from Dottie Moo. But anyway, this is super cute because I love the style. You can just jot down things, and I use it in my other setup as well. This is the paper clip slash charm that I made from 2 Girls Bows. And this is basically it. In the back here, I've just added another one of the die cuts from the party. And then here is another, actually this guy was from the packaging, pretty sure. I wish I had an extra, I could have shown you, but again, you can cut them out because as you can see here, I had to cut out the face because it was, you know, at the edge of the envelope. But just laminate it, whatever you have. And this one instead was a from postcard. So super cute, super quick. Here it is. I mean, this is under 20 minutes, guys. This is a really quick flip through. But again, I'll list everything below, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you have more questions, please just let me know. I always try to answer. Otherwise, you can find me on Instagram at PlanningFancy. And I will be back next week with, I'm not quite sure yet. I'll figure out what to share with you guys. But I hope you guys like, and if you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And until I see you next week, have a great weekend, guys. Bye bye.